Hi, we're on St. John at the Virgin Islands Environmental Resource Station. I'm Olivia.
I'm Ange, and we hope to introduce you the most common types of coral found in the reefs on St. John in case you ever get a chance to snorkel these beautiful waters. Coral reefs are fragile marine ecosystems that are made up of individual coral structures. On these coral structures are thousands of tiny little coral polyps. In each polyp is a mouth-like opening and surrounded by tentacles, which helps filter nutrients like calcium carbonate out of the water. The calcium carbonate is then secreted through the polyp and is used to make the hard, protective exoskeleton. In St. John, the water lacks certain nutrients that the polyp needs to live. A tiny little green plant called zooxanthellae helps the tentacles bring in more nutrients. The zooxanthellae, being a photosynthetic plant, takes the sunlight and creates sugars, which it then gives to the coral polyp. This is a symbiotic relationship because the zooxanthellae now has a place to live inside of the polyp, and it also gives the polyp the sugars and its color. Without the zooxanthellae, the coral wouldn't have much time to live, and it would slowly die.
There are two types of coral, hard and soft. Hard coral has polyps that have 6 tentacles and are more of a stiff-like structure that cannot move. Soft coral have a polyp that have 8 tentacles and are more flexible or free-flowing. Now, in the examples of these dead corals, you can see the individual little holes where the polyps would be in the hard coral, which are closely compacted and are in different sizes and can be even found in grooves. In the soft coral, the skeleton is more loosely together, which makes the soft coral more flexible and makes it flow with the ocean.
Brain coral gets the name because of the curvy or grooved pattern surface that resembles a brain, as well as the semi-rounded shape they have.
Elkhorn coral grows in branches from the main branch and grow up and out. It resembles the antlers of an elk and will sometimes grow up out of the water high enough where it can be seen out of water. Staghorn coral is one of the most important coral in a reef, which provide habitats for animals. It gets the name because it resembles antlers of a stag or deer.
Fire coral gets the name for the stinging or burning sensation when touched. They have both stinging and feeding polyps. They are usually a mustard color with white tips.
Roller coral form multiple cylindrical structures that grow upward from the connecting base. They are one of the few coral with their tentacles out during the day.
Finger coral have stout, stubby branches and form in groups that are relatively close together. Other organisms like sea urchins and brittle stars live in close proximity to their branches.
Sea fans are thin, mesh-patterned branches and can grow in a wide range of reef environments. They are usually shades of purple and green.
With sea rods, the branches are long, slender, and point upward, and can grow from slopes to flat surfaces. They are one of the few types of coral that have their tentacles out during the day.
Sea blooms have long, fragile branches that grow from the main branch. They tend to look bushy or feather-like. They are usually shades of purple, gray, or even possibly yellow.